Hello, everyone. So, if you're growing your business here in India, you already know a solid tech team is absolutely a must. But actually finding the right people, it's really tough, Henna. Let's talk about a smarter way to build your dream tech team.
Let me ask you this directly. Are you struggling to find good developers? Do you feel like this one problem is holding your whole business back? Well, don't worry, you are really not alone. So many entrepreneurs in India are facing this exact same challenge.
And this is the real headache, isn't it? I mean, in cities like Bangalore or Mumbai, developer salaries are just going through the roof. You're competing with all the big multinational companies for the same people. And look, if you're not a tech person yourself, trying to manage a tech team, that's a whole other challenge. And what if you need a specialist, someone who knows AI or blockchain? Well, good luck with that. It's very, very difficult. But what if there was a better way, a smarter fix for this problem? Let's talk about something called a dedicated development team. Trust me, it's a very clever solution to all these hiring headaches. So what is it exactly? It's actually very simple. Just imagine a full tech team, your developers, your testers, designers, and they are working only for you on your project. They're 100% focused on your vision. And the best part, a partner company handles all the difficult stuff like hiring, HR, and all that paperwork.
Just think about that for a second. You get your own expert tech team, but with absolutely none of the headaches. No more endless interviews, no more salary negotiations, no stress about finding office space or buying laptops. You can finally just focus on what matters, your product and growing your business.
Okay, I know what you're probably thinking. This sounds good, but how does it actually work? So let's break it down step by step. I'll make it really nice and simple for you.
Okay, so let's compare. Think of a freelancer like hiring a taxi for one trip. It's good for a small, one-time job, but that taxi has other passengers to pick up, right? A dedicated team, well, that's like having your own personal driver with a car. They work only for you, they know exactly where you want to go, your long-term vision, and you are always in the driver's seat. You have full control. And this is everything you don't have to worry about anymore. Your partner finds and vets the perfect people for you. They handle all the messy paperwork, the HR, the legal stuff, contracts. They even provide the office space and all the computers. And they make sure the team stays happy and productive. All of it is just handled for you.
Now we get to the best part. We've talked about how it works, but what is in it for you? What are the real, actual benefits for your business? How does this model help you win in the market?
Just look at this number, 40%. That's a potential 40% gain in efficiency. So what does that really mean for you? It means you build your product and get it to your customers much, much faster. And in today's world, that speed is everything. This chart here makes it super clear. On one end, you have your own in-house team. You get really high control, which is great, but the cost is also very high. On the other end, you have outsourcing. The cost is lower, sure, but you lose a lot of that control. The dedicated team model is that sweet spot right there in the middle. You get the high control of an in-house team, but at a much more optimized and predictable cost. It's the best of both worlds.
So let's just quickly recap your biggest wins here. You save a lot of money on things like rent and HR. You get access to the best talent from anywhere in the country, not just your local city. You can grow your team or shrink it very easily. And the biggest win of all, you are free to focus on what you're best at, growing your business. Okay, so if this model sounds interesting to you, the next big question is, how do you find the right partner? This is a very important decision, so I'm going to give you a simple checklist to help you choose the right company. So when you're talking to a potential partner, just keep these things in mind. First up, tech skills. It's simple. Do they have experts in the technology you need? Then, industry experience. Have they worked in your field, like fintech or healthcare, before? Third, communication. Is their team easy to talk to? This is so important. Fourth, flexibility. Can they scale up when your business grows? Fifth is transparency. Can you easily see where your money is going? And last, but this one is so important, IP rights. Make sure that you own 100% of the code and the final product. It's your intellectual property. It must belong to you. All right, so we've talked about the problem, we've talked about the solution, and even how to find the right partner. Now let's just take a moment to think about the future and what your next smart step could be. I want to leave you with this final thought. Remember, this model is not just about saving some money here and there. It is a strategic move for your business. It's about finding a real partner who works just like your own team and is just as committed to your success as you are.
So, what do you think? Could this be the answer you've been looking for to build that dream tech team and really scale your business? If you want to dive deeper and learn more, we've got you covered. To read the full content and get all the details, just check out the link in the comments section below. Thanks for joining me today.